Hi guys, this is irregular career in lesson 3. I hope you will understand it easily and clearly. So this lesson is going to be about the use of the simple past in English. Simple past is really very important in English, so just follow the lesson this time and you will understand. The simple past is used for finished, completed events and activities. It's used with yesterday. It's a key word for the past. Whenever you have yesterday, last week, last month, last year, last weekend, last summer, last Christmas, etc. In this case, you use simple past. And also with the word ago. 2 minutes ago, 5 minutes ago, 1 year ago. Then we must pay attention that in English there are two sorts of verbs. Regular verbs, and this is important to know when you want to use the simple past, and irregular verbs. So two kinds of verbs, regular and irregular verbs. So the question here is, how can we know if a certain verb is regular or irregular? So don't worry that much. Simple. There is only one way. The way is that all the irregular verbs are listed in a list. These are just some examples. As you see here, we have say, said, make, past made, go, went, eat, ate, take, took, see, saw, get, got, give, gave, etc. Now for the use of the simple past with regular verbs, in the affirmative you need the subject I, you, he, she, verb plus ed. Interrogative, always did plus subject plus verb, and the negative, subject, did not, didn't plus verb, without ed of course. Let's take some examples to make it clearer. So the first example is with the verb visit. In the past we say visited. Example, they visited Morocco in 1990. When did they visit Morocco? They visited Morocco in 1990. Did they visit Morocco in 1990? Yes, they did. Did they visit Morocco in 2000? No, they didn't visit Morocco in 2000. Second is study, past studied. They studied English last Friday. What did they study last Friday? They studied English. Did they study English? Yes, they did. Did they study maths? No, they didn't study maths, or no, they didn't. Third example is with the verb listen. Past, listened. Kamal listened to music in the park yesterday. What did Kamal listen to yesterday? He listened to music in the park yesterday. Did he listen to the radio? No, he didn't. Did he listen to music? Yes, he did. Next verb is watch. Past, watched. George watched TV last night. What did George do last night? He watched TV. Did he watch TV? Yes, he did. Did he watch a concert? No, he didn't. Next verb is cook. Past, cooked. Fred cooked a chicken for lunch yesterday. What did Fred cook for lunch yesterday? He cooked a chicken. Did he cook a chicken? Yes, he did. Did he cook a fish? No, he didn't. He didn't cook a fish yesterday. Then help. Past, helped. Jenny helped her mother with the washing up last week. What did Jenny help her mother with last week? She helped her with the washing up. Did she help her with the cooking? No, she didn't. The next verb is paint. Past, painted. Paul painted the house 5 months ago. What did Paul do 5 months ago? He painted the house. Did he paint the house? Yes, he did. Now, some examples with irregular verbs. So, as I said, irregular verbs are the verbs on the list. So you have to learn them by heart. First verb here is get, past got. You see how it changes? Here, no ed because it's irregular. Example, Steve got up at 7:15. What time did Steve get up? He got up at 7:15. Second verb, irregular verb, have, had. Example, Lucy had a shower yesterday. Did Lucy have a shower yesterday? Yes, she had a shower yesterday. Did Lucy have a bath yesterday? No, she didn't have a bath yesterday. Next verb is take, took. They took a taxi yesterday. What did they take yesterday? A taxi or a bus? They took a taxi yesterday. Did they take a taxi yesterday? Yes, they did. Did they take the bus yesterday? No, they didn't take a bus yesterday. Next is make. The past is made. Amina made some tea for her guests 2 hours ago. What did Amina make for her guests? A pizza or tea? She made some tea. Did she make couscous? No, she didn't make couscous. She made some tea. Next verb is eat. The past is ate. They ate couscous last Friday. What did they eat last Friday? They ate couscous last Friday. Did they eat tagine last Friday? No, they didn't eat tagine last Friday. Did they eat barbecue last Friday? No, they didn't. Next is see. The past is saw. Jim saw the doctor 2 months ago. Who did Jim see 2 months ago? Jim saw the doctor 2 months ago. Did he see the dentist 2 months ago? No, he didn't see the dentist 2 months ago. He saw the doctor. Next verb is dream. The past is dreamt. Last night, Bill dreamt that he was rich. What did Bill dream last night? He dreamt that he was rich. Or the same verb again. Tony dreamt of chicken last night. So Tony didn't dream he was rich. He simply dreamt of food. He dreamt of chicken last night. The next verb is buy. Past bought. They bought some fresh fruit yesterday. What did they buy yesterday? They bought some fresh fruit. Did they buy clothes? No, they didn't buy clothes. What did they buy? They bought some fresh fruit yesterday. Now, it's up to you. Put the verbs in the examples in the past simple. Are you ready? So, just take it easy. Remember. Here, try it first. It rained yesterday. First, the verb rain is regular. So, we just add ed. So, the answer is it rained yesterday. Second, Mrs. Smith get a letter 2 months ago. Get is on the list, so the past is got, right? So the answer is Mrs. Smith got a letter 2 months ago. What did she get 2 months ago? She got a letter. What about this one? Try it for a few seconds. They cleaned the park last Sunday. Put it in the past. The verb is regular. It's not on the list. So they cleaned the park. Here, she get up early yesterday. Remember, get is an irregular. So the past is got because it's an irregular verb. So what's the answer here? She got. Harry see his friends 2 days ago. See is irregular and it's on the list. The past is saw, so Harry saw his friends. The next is meet, irregular, it's on the list. Meet, met, so they met in a cafe 2 weeks ago. Make sure you pronounce it in the past, met, not meet in the present. What about this one? Mr. Brown drives, Mr. Brown drove, or Mr. Brown drove. So Mr. Brown drove a bus last year. Now can you spot the mistake? The first mistake here. So the verb is speak, spoke. You see, the mistake is spoke. Shouldn't say did they spoke, did they speak. Where did Paul slept last night? So the mistake is slept. The right answer is where did Paul sleep last night? When you use did, don't change the verb, don't put it in the past. What about this one? Did they went to Morocco by plane? The correct question is did they go to Morocco by plane? Now what about this one? Did they walked? So did they walk is wrong to school yesterday. Did they walk? What about this one? So the right answer is Salim met his friends in a cafe. Well, this is it for this lesson. Hope to see you soon in another lesson. So take care.